Hey, what's up, everybody? Sorry about that. Adjust the camera a little bit. It's James here, back with another video. Just a quick video. The Dungeness crab season's here, in season here in California, and you can harvest those with hoop nets or with crab snares at the moment. Box box traps or enclosed traps are currently illegal due to restrictions, but that is the cage to one of my crab snares. And what I'm going to do today is I'm actually making leaders for these. For that, I just use regular trimmer line. That is, what size is that? That is 0.065 size trimmer line. But you see it's got a wicked memory. So I'm actually going to take that memory out a little bit today. And this is a video on how I do that. First off, I got a little Pyrex pan here. Sorry. My little Pyrex dish. This is 13 by, this is like 13 something. 13 inches by, 13 and a half inches by 8 3/4 by 1 3/4. But as long as it holds your water and your material, that's all that's needed. So, what I'm going to do is first off, this, I put it on top of my little toaster oven to get it warm, to help with the shock, so it doesn't lessens the risk of cracking or breaking the Pyrex. But next, need a pan of water. This I brought to a boil and then turned off. And I'm just going to pour it here into the Pyrex pan. Just like so. Set this out of my way here in the back. And then I'm going to take my trimmer line. I'm just going to gradually drop it into the water there. And the heat from the water will actually stretch out my trimmer line and will take away that memory. So it'll help relax that. And essentially what I want is those to be straight. So, and you probably want something a little better than your fingers. So let me jump up real quick, grab my needle nose pliers. All right. And I am back. So, now we'll work on, you see it took that big stretch out of it. I'm going to pull these out here. I'm going to slowly work them, try and get them straight. Then what I'm going to do, just a piece of, I believe that's 3/4 inch PVC pipe. And I'm just going to slide my line up inside there. As I said, you should probably do this with something other than your fingers. I do have the needle nose pliers. They just took too long for my liking. And the whole purpose of the PVC pipe is it gives you a convenient place to hold those, and it also helps keep them a little straighter as they are drying. So you can see these are the first ones we put in there. Huh. That last one doesn't understand that it wants to come out of there. Then you try and get these as even as you can there on the end, and slide them up inside the tube when I need to. I can dump them down, grab a hold of them, but this right here will help keep them straight. So next step is I will be taking them, I'll be using these little crimps here. This is like an 1/8 inch crimp, I believe, but just a little very standard 2-barrel crimp, and I'll be using that to make loops on one end, and then the other end, after I finish this, I will attach it to the front, and we'll use the crimp to make essentially a loop as I crimp it to the other end. So I will bring you back on another video when I do that step. So thanks for watching. But that essentially is how I straighten my leaders for my crab snares. So thanks for watching.